Hey guys, welcome to TechAction. Today in this video we are going to talk about batch file programming. Basically batch file is very easier as compared to C programming or Java, whatever it is. So today we are going to develop a small virus kind of thing, like which if you run that program in your victim's computer, that makes him irritate, because it happens like the application which comes pre-installed in Windows, that will open randomly and irritate the victim. So it's very easy to do. I'll let you know what you are. Nothing much you need. Like there's one software that will be needed for the file execution, that is advanced bat2exe converter. I've given the link in the description below. You can download the application from the description, from that link. Okay, so let's begin. First we have to open Notepad. Okay, so it's quite simple guys. Okay, anyone can do. It's very simple. So what we are going to, the name is application bomber. What it does actually, so the software which is pre-installed in Windows, it will open randomly and it will go in infinite process. Okay, so at that situation the system may get hanged, the computer may get hanged, or it may restart the process again. So so let's begin with. Okay, so we'll type at echo. Actually this instruction is used to hide the command, whatever you are going to use the instruction in the programming. Okay. So after that, x, this is loop variable. It's nothing much, it's just loop variable. Let's start WinWord. This opens Windows Word, which is inbuilt in it comes pre-installed in Windows operating system. The next is start MS Paint, which opens MS Paint. The next is Notepad. Start right, start, this is command prompt CMD. Okay, then start Explorer. Explorer is nothing but it's just like your when you are trying to access your folder, that is called the Windows Explorer. Okay, then start control, start CALC, this is calculator. Go to X. Go to X means this creates an infinite loop in the process and it repeats continuously. So save this file, save as desktop. Okay, so the file name anything like application bomber .pat. Guys, just remember to enter the extension. The batch file extension is b.bat. Okay, so save as all files. Okay, now save to your desktop. So as you can see, your application bomber file is ready. It's in batch file. So if you don't want the user to know it's a batch file or anything, so I will consider you to make it as exe file. Okay, so to make a exe file, what you need this software, advanced bat2exe converter. I've given the link in the description below. You can download the software from the link. Okay, so what we have to do, go to file, open application, select your batch file, open. So as you can see, all the programs are appearing here. Now go to file, build exe. So here a pop-up window appears where you need to select the icon of your whatever icon you wish to keep for the application. You can select from here. Okay, and nothing much you have to do here, like everything is fine. Okay, then click on build exe. Okay, so again it is asking for location and the file name application BOMB. Fine. So save it in your desired location. That's it, it's done. So as you can see, your file is appearing here. If you run this file, what will happen exactly, your the computer in the whatever application you have given in the command, that application will open continuously. It won't stop because you have given the infinite process that go to X. That means it will repeat until the system gets shut down. Okay, so thank you for watching video. If the video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you, have a good day.